Welcome back to Fallout 4 Brotherhood of Steel. We are currently running through Pickman's gallery. Finally. Realize it took a couple, 2-3 videos to get here, but this is where we're going. We got this guy's stuff. Yeah, we did. We're going. I don't know which way to go. This way, I think. Right? Or did I come up? Which way? Let's look. Can't go this way. Okay. How did we come in here? We came in from this direction, I believe. Right? I have to look. Yep, because that guy was hiding behind that post. Okay, we're going this way.
Hate it when they beg. Just you and me. Nothing personal. Gotta hope the next one dies clean.
Come out wherever you are. This looks weird. I can't get down from here. I'm not sure about this. Let's see. I don't really want to jump down there, do I? So I want to jump over there. Can I jump to there from here? I don't know. Let's go this way. Of course, I can't go this way. This is the only way to go. Right? We came from that way. Can't go that way. There's a wall there. Can't go this way. That's a dead end. Right? Yeah, this is a dead end. Okay. Alright, so we gotta jump down there. I don't remember that. I do remember looking in this hole, though. You could look in here and see some enemies sometimes. Or is this... Is that where Pickman is at? Is that the place where he's at? Might be. When you finally meet him? Alright, let's go this way. We're gonna jump down in there. I want to try to jump across that crevice. I want to try to jump over there. I don't know if that's a good idea or not, but that's like the only idea I got. That didn't work. Yeah, that didn't work. I almost made that. Alright, we're going this way then, eh? Come on.
I'll find you!
I love that.
Show your face! Come on!
How can I VATS him through the wall, it looked like? That's weird.
In this, huh?
Man, you're wrecking my suit of armor. Where's the other guy at? jump up on that ledge? I don't think I can.
Where'd that motherfucker go?
I don't like being down here. There's probably frickin' Mileworks down here somewhere. Alright, we'll go this way. Looks like the way to go.
Anything? No, I'm not ready to pack. Not yet.
He's got nothing. Of course he's got nothing. Oh, we're getting overloaded though. I didn't dump off when I went back to swap the old suits out. Saw my power armor out. We might make it though. We're not too bad off here yet. This is gonna hurt. Raider leathers. 383. Yeah, we're getting kind of tight. Let's see what I got in that I don't really need. I need everything. I always need cash. Gotta buy ammo. And I don't know if I've mentioned this, but I'm slowly amassing 5mm ammo. I now have 102. Buying them like 6 at a time, 5 at a time, 10 at a time. So I might have enough to do what I want to do now. So next perk point, we might have a perk point. We do. Next perk point, we're gonna bump up the heavy weapons. And I'm gonna go back and get my fire starter. This looks like a good place to save. And I don't know how these guys got a turret in here.
Spread out, fight.
How do you get a turret in here? I mean, come on. Seriously.
Just noise. Just noise.
Really? That's the one-hit wonder, guys. Okay, so there's two guys behind me, but I don't know exactly where they are. They're not where I came from, that's for sure. Keep moving. I really can't take this shotgun, can I? It weighs 9? I can. What about this? Hunting rifle was that way, 9.6. It's getting close. How much is that? That's not worth it. What else we got? That might be worth it. I don't know what that weighs. That didn't weigh much. I weighed 3. So let's do this. Let's take this, not this. Where's the turret? There we go. Let's just throw some stuff back in this body here. What do we not need? Let's check out weapons that are just not even worth it. What do we got? What's this? Pipe rifle. That's pretty worth it. This here is not really worth it. 6.4, that weighs a lot. For 32 caps, get rid of that. This weighs 4.8. What does this one weigh? 5.4. 4.8. These things weigh a lot. Oh, no they don't. This weighs a lot. These weigh a lot. I'm gonna get rid of a couple of these. I don't need all of those. Well, yeah, they're only worth 39, and they weigh 9. It's just... What else we got? Lots of pipe pistols. There are 2 missile launchers. Yeah, I want to sell those. Let's see what some of this stuff is here. This is not bad. This has a pretty good weight to value ratio. This does not. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. That's my stuff. And I can't get rid of the silver shroud, right? Won't let me, will it? Nope. This doesn't have very good weight to value ratio. This definitely does not. It's not bad. Alright, we'll go with that. I just happened to catch that. Just happened to see that. Can't believe I was able to grab that before it started clicking off. Okay, where is everybody? I guess we'll go across this thing here. This is a hell of a place Pickman's got here.
You can't hide forever, Pickman. Hear me? You're a dead man! You can't hide forever, Pickman.
Let's grab this mine.
You hear me? You're a dead man! You can't hide forever.
Alright, just keep saying it over and over again, eh?
You hear me? You're a dead man! You can't hide forever, Pickman.
Jesus.
You hear me? You're a dead man! Whoa, shut the fuck up a second. I hear something. Oh, hey!
Oh, I got that guy, eh?
Playing games with me, huh?
Where'd he go?
You gotta reload sometime, asshole!
You're right, I do. Not yet, though. That had to hurt.
Still kicking? Jesus!
I just reloaded. What'd you do about it? Nothing. Jesus, this guy's still kicking, too.
Stubborn, I'll give you that.
Finally. Another turret, though. I think it's time to take some, take a skill point that gives me better health recovery. What's this worth? Yeah, see, that's not worth much either. Let's leave that. We got a lot of combat rifles. What did this guy have? He had something that was pretty hefty. Oh, Snub-nosed 44, huh? Any of this stuff? This maybe. Not bad. That was only weight 2. That's pretty good. Let's go this way. Alright, where's he at? What the hell's that? Huh. I missed those Nuka-Colas. Didn't even see that sitting there. I don't remember that sitting there. That's weird. That is very weird, unless I'm going that way. I don't think I am, though, but maybe I am. I guess I am going on down the pipes.
Finally got you.
Oh, here we go.
Thought you could hunt and torture our people to your heart's content? I'm gonna enjoy killing you. Time's up, asshole!
Ah, man, where's the other guy at?
Fun? Huh? I can do this all day.
Did he kill Pickman? Oh man, that sucks.
Should've just run!
Pickman, get out of the way, dude.
That was close. Thank you.
You're
Those
welcome.
people deserved worse than death.
Why you?
Why did they want you so badly?
A small disagreement. They objected to my hobby of collecting their heads. Let me repay you.
What do you got in
What
mind?
did you have in mind?
A gift. Nothing more. If you visit my house again, look deep within my painting, Picnic for Stanley, and you will find my gratitude. You'll need this.
Alright, where's that bobblehead at? There it is. Lockpicking bobblehead, there we go. Lockpicking is permanently easier. Okay. I don't need a double barrel shotgun. I don't think there's any magazines down here. Let's just get some ammo from these guys. This guy here, he has ammo.
See you around,
Yep.
killer.
What about this? This is, yeah, not great. Let's go see what the boss man over here had. Oh, there's a pile of stuff here too, huh? What's in here? Ammo, good. Compensated pipe revolver pistol. Mentats. That's not any good. Rat poison, and that's not bad there. We'll take that. If I want to take this now, let's see what this guy's got. We'll take that. Take this. Don't want that. What about this? Ooh, a sniper. Oh, holy crap! Nice. That weighs 16. Yeah, okay, we'll take that too. So this must be the way out. And we gotta go back to his house to get the gift. Yeah, he's gonna give us his special knife, which is very good if you're a melee character. It's very good. I lost it. I had it when I was doing a melee run. I had it, and I wasn't using it anymore because I had better stuff. It's really good, but I just stored it. I was going to store it in a display case in my home on Finch Farm when I built that thing up in the Skyway there on the overhead pass, and the display case lost it. I had two things in there, and it disappeared, and from what I understood, that's a glitch. That happens. Let's see, what's the best way to get back to his house? Is there anything up? No, there's nothing up there. Alright, let's go down. Let's just be ready for ghouls. I don't know if I can kill ghouls with this thing or not. Where's his house at? Oh, there's ghouls over there. Let's just fast travel to his house. That's probably the easiest thing to do. I mean, I'm right here somewhere. Oh, let's see if we can get over there. Let's go this way. Is this it? This isn't it. Okay, let's see, that's where the railroad's hiding at. They're hiding in that church there. I already went up there, did I not? Nope, I did not discover this. Oh, that's why, because this is also the gym here. If you ever need lead for your ammo manufacturing, go in there. There's just tons of weights in there. I set up an ammo manufacturing facility one time, and worked pretty good. Alright, where's Pickman's gallery at? Where am I going? It's right here somewhere. It's to my left. I know where I'm at now. That's where I got my new suit of armor over there. Pickman's is over here. These guys are still laying out here. Okay, what's in there? What was that? Silver fork, we don't need that. Alright, let's go into... Do I have a mission for that? I might have a mission for that. Let's see. There might be something. Let's look real quick. Pickman's gift. That's what I thought that way. It's right over here. I know where it's at. It's on a wall. But we have to go talk to Pickman's blade. Targets bleed for 25 points of additional damage. It's pretty awesome. And his thank you note. Reinforced combat armor. What is that worth? And then combat shotgun. I can't really carry that. That's just not worth a whole lot, though, is it? Alright, so we're overloaded. Let's figure that out in a minute here. Yeah, here we go. I can't run. All right, let's drop some stuff, I guess. We need to go talk to not Jack. We got to go talk to Hancock. Okay. I know what I can probably do. I could do a buff out just to get we can get us that'll get us to not Hangman's Alley. Well, I know I can't remember the name of that place. That's pretty crazy. I could sell a bunch of stuff while I'm there. What's it called? What's the name of the place called? Where is it? It's right here. It's right here. There it is. Good Neighbor. Oh, I can't remember that. It'll probably wear off by the time I get the buff out. It'll wear off by the time I get there. And it looks like we're about ready to level up again, too. Hey, it didn't wear off. How about that? Let's do this.
Ever been to kill or be killed? Some fine-looking weapons.
Hey.
Get my fusion core. Just kind of get this thing in the rack over here. It's probably not too bad a shape. Yeah, it's beat up a little bit. But I don't have anything to fix it here, do I? I do some stuff. I shouldn't be fixing it because I'm gonna mod the other power armor up. Can't believe I had stuff to fix all of that. Alright. Let's go. Oh, I know what I gotta do. Once you do that, I have to get all this stuff out of here because it broke down all those materials. Let's take it all. Give me that stuff back. There we go. Alright, let's sell some stuff to Cleo here. Let's take a little bit of grape mentats and a beer. Put my glasses on. Oh, I got my black rim glasses on, don't I? Okay. Cleo girl.
Stay free, man.
Hey, Cleo.
I've got a weapon here for every situation. Hunting, protection, cold-blooded murder, hot-blooded murder.
Let's see what you have.
A gun for every occasion.
Alright, let's get rid of some stuff first. Let's get rid of the heavy stuff. Weapons. Here we go. Get some good heavy stuff. Where's the heavy stuff at? This is pretty heavy. Oh man. I thought she's supposed to have more money when I got that magazine. Alright, let's do this. Buy some ammo. Can always use some ammo. Take this. Take the plasma cartridge stuff. There we go. Now we're good. She's got money now. Righteous Authority, don't sell that. Poisoner's 10 mil. This is a good one. It's a good weapon. Pickman's blade. Yeah, we'll sell that. We don't need it. Got 2 missile launchers. Get rid of one of them. Nice. That worked out very well. And she's got 164 bucks. What we got left? This. Not bad. That worked out rather nicely. She doesn't have anything else I need. I don't need any cryo ammo because I haven't been... Ooh, she got 5 mil. There we go. Like I said, I've been buying them 5 at a time. Buying them 5 at a time. Let's sell some apparel. Alright, Cleo girl. Thank you. Appreciate it. Okay, I got nothing else to buy from her. What else has she got? Wait a minute. She had a comfort grip. Excited plasma pistol. That's nice because the one I got is it. Where's my plasma pistol? Here we go. Nope, that's not it. What's it called? Hope I didn't sell it. Is that mine? I sold it to her? Man, I bet I did. Wait a minute, hold on a second. No, here it is. Whew. Mine's 66 damage, this one's only 42 damage, isn't it? Yeah. I just gotta talk to what's his name first. Let's go over here. I still got my juice is still working.
It means a lot to me that you made the
I know.
libraries.
I'll take a look, sure.
Everything's guaranteed to last. Until it doesn't.
I need a beer. Any beer? She does have a beer. Okay, we'll take that. And maybe some whiskey. She got any whiskey? She does. We'll sell her some crap too. What's this? Give her some heavy stuff. What's this way? This... Ooh, should have sold that. That's alright. Still got a lot of stuff here, don't we? Let's see what kind of ammo she's got. 5 mil? She does have some 5 mil. And she's got some fusion cell. There we go. Nice. I think we're good. Let's get her last 9 caps. Let's do this one.
Buddy,
Thanks, babe.
I need to be a lot more high or a lot more drunk to be bothered.
Let's check out one more guy, see if he's got any beer before we go talk to... What's his name in there? Just need to get a couple beers, because I got great mentats, but I don't have any beers. And I'm still rocking my charisma high, so let's use it. Where's he at? There he is. These guys are
Good
always
to see you
leaving.
again. You find that brewing machine yet?
Yeah, and
Or
I
you
know,
just here looking for scrap.
I know where it's at. I'll bring it to you
I'll
someday.
take a look. Let me know if you want to trade.
I just told you I did. I just want some beer. Actually, I could sell him some more. He has no beer. So you got whiskey? He does. Alright, let's just sell off all the rest of my stuff here. Do I have any more weapons? I don't think I do. This. I don't need this. What's this worth? 47, 70. Ammo. What can we get for this? We can get... Oh, let's sell off to this guy
Whoa.
too.
It's you. Didn't I just... Let's see what you got.
You're gonna love this. Trust me.
Yes, mentats. Let's grab some of those. And he has no beers or whiskeys. Mentats are good. Okay, we'll get rid of this. This. I don't want to sell. Yeah, I do want to sell the 556. I don't need that. That's all I believe. Fusion core, that's still good. Shotgun shells. Perfect. And I might have some. I can sell some of the 38s. I'm not going to use. I haven't used any of it yet. Nice. All right, let's go talk to what's his name. Sorry for that little bit of shopping, but since I was here, I figured I'd just get rid of it. Get rid of all that stuff. Easiest way to do it. Got a little bit of a charisma check here. Still going. I don't know if we got anything to... Where's he at? He's upstairs. If he's going to have any charisma checks on him or not.
I think Whitechapel Charlie's got some work, if you're looking.
You!
Down in the third grade.
Well, look who's back. You ever think about having an exquisitely handsome and deadly ghoul at your side?
Nope.
Maybe later.
Hey, ain't like I got anything else to do besides wait around, get high, and be mayoral.
Hey.
Well, look who's back. You ever think about having an exquisitely handsome and deadly ghoul at your side?
No.
Maybe later.
Hey, ain't like I got anything else to do besides wait around,
I'm supposed
get
to
high,
turn this
and
into
be
him.
mayoral.
What am I missing? Okay, so what's happening? What am I missing? There it is. Now it showed up.
Hey.
Well, look who's back.
What
you ever
the?
think about
Really?
having an exquisitely handsome and deadly ghoul at your side?
Why take you with?
All right. Say I take you with me. What's that look like?
I'm a man of the people, you know? I like getting out there and helping the little guy. And then stabbing anyone trying to keep them down. You already tried to knock over someone else's stash. So I know we see eye to eye on the getting your hands dirty part of life. So, what do you say?
Not gonna happen.
You're not coming with me, Hancock.
You're lost, brother.
Hey, Hancock.
Well, look who's back.
Oh,
You ever
really?
think about having an exquisitely handsome and deadly
So,
ghoul
how
at
does
your
that work?
side?
You're not coming with me, Hancock.
You're lost, brother.
Okay. That pisses me off. We'll figure that out. Alright, so I'm gonna call it a video here. And I'm gonna figure out how that works. Can't steal none of this stuff, can I? Anyway, what's left on it? What's next on it? I think it's time to go. We need to go rescue Nick. Or, yeah, Nick Valentine. We need to go do this. It's time. I'm gonna go home and get my minigun, and we're gonna do some stuff to Nick. Now, yeah, I was so close to leveling up too. All I had to do was get this completed. Anyway, let's call it a video here, and then we'll figure it out. I think we're gonna have to go rescue Nick, or I'm gonna level up first with something simple before we go do that. So, if you're watching, thanks for watching. See ya.